that really has inspired so many people, literally from rags to riches. And I remember the day when George came to me and said, "Boy, Miss Kitty, you hear about the artist here?" You know what I mean? That at that time you never even get the bus yet. The video that you did on the phone was just about going viral. And then the next thing I knew is that you erupted and then you exploded on the scene. And that one recording really sent you to the world. Talk to me about how that recording changed Gully Bop's life.
Well, Gully Bop has suffered a long time in the gully, pan the gully bank, pan the gut edge, in the ackee tree, mango tree, guinea tree, every tree you can think about. And then tree them have to live off, you know?
Yeah.
And one day I get up very hungry, but boy, I just God say, what the day they know you. Just walk and a little individual start to come bust some freestyle. I say, fuck, you know, me not itch.
Yes.
Start bust some freestyle. One for freestyle now bust, but them put up the one about stay behind the fence, girl, you can't face me.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah. Sick.
Yeah.
So you wrote the, so your lyrics, them lyrics, were you right and have long time?
Yeah, long time lyrics. Some lyrics are from my band.
Yeah.
So people believe say lyrics them me just forward it, but at the time I chat all them, all my God and them tune in, and I my Enzel or DJ them, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a producer and all them song the whole time song man, them song and now gone away.
Yeah.
And I say, if it not sound good to me, it sound good to me. Anything will sound good to me, I can sound good to the world.
Which is right.
Yeah.
So when you got the big break, so that song came out, and it, I mean, well, not even the song, the viral video came out, and then everybody started rush down on Gully Bop right about now, and then they must say, "Yo, Bop, you have a style, you have something, boy, yo," and all of these things. Did you ever think or envision that your life would change like this?
Yeah, that's why I never give up. Because I know. Because I ask God for it, and I know, so God now tell me no, you know. If God don't give me it for that year, I'm going to give me it one of the year. But I say, Father God, I highlight before me dead. You see me?
So you were countryman before you got the name Gully Bop. Talk to me about your career in the 80s, because a lot of people still don't know or didn't know that you were an artist back in the days, and then it's not a just come thing or just a just come DJ. Tell me about countryman back then time then.
From Lucky Sprang.
Lucky Sprang.
Straight to every time that George Pang I produce. And a George Pang with the monks, same time I name Lucky Pang.
Oh, you didn't name Lucky Pang?
Yeah.
Oh, and then countryman?
Yeah.
Oh, and then Gully Bop?
And then Gully Bop.
Yeah.
Because the Lucky Sprang give me a start. The countryman give me a little faster start.
Yes.
But I know the Gully Bop run off and nobody can't stop it.
Alright. Well, since you get rich, or at least you found fame and, you know, moved from where you are into a better place now, do you find that a lot of the persons who were treating you like that are treating you but don't want to talk to you, want to come near you, are they flocking you now?
I tell you, because if colonies germs and poison. Because